In this video, we will discuss how to integrate Stripe in Voiceflow. Here I have a dynamic carousel to show the flower products from Airtable integrating the Stripe payment link. This has been shown in our previous videos. If the user clicks the Buy Product button, a new web page will be open. It contains the checkout page. It has the product and price. The user can fill out the form and input the credit card information. Finally, the user can click the Pay button to make a payment. After the user finishes the payment, he has to close the web page and go back to the Voiceflow chat to continue the next step. If the user wants to buy another product, he can click the Buy Product again. This time, another Stripe payment web page will be open. The user will need to fill out the credit card information and submit the payment again. He will need to close the web page and go back to the Voiceflow. If the user wants to buy the third products, he will have to click the Buy Product to go to the Stripe payment page to repeat the checkout again for the third time. This gives bad user experience. Let us go to the real website. On this website, I have a Voiceflow Chatbot. We have demonstrated it in our previous videos. If interested, you may watch them to see how we built the Voiceflow Chatbot to dynamically fetch product data from Airtable, display them in a beautiful carousel and integrate the Stripe payment link for the user to make payments. Let us refresh the website. We click on the chat bubble to open the chat window. Let us click the button to start a new chat. We can see a carousel showing flower products. They look great. If we click the Buy Product button to buy this product, a new web page will open. We can fill out the card information and make a payment. After that, we need to go back to the Voiceflow Chatbot. If we want to buy another product, we have to open another web page to make the payment. If the user wants to buy the third or fourth products, he has to repeat the same process for many times. You got it. This is very interrupted and boring. Is there a way to keep the payment window aligned with the Voiceflow chat window? So, the user can finish the payment without leaving the chat window and go to another page for many time. Yes. In the following, we will show you how to do it. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so and you will not miss more of this kind of good videos in the future. On the Voiceflow canvas, we have a very simple chatbot. The first part can fetch product data from Airtable and display them in a carousel. It uses a function block to implement this. It has been demonstrated in our previous videos. Please watch them if you want to know details. The second part is integrating Stripe payment element to the Voiceflow chatbot. The key is using a custom action block to implement an extension. This extension is able to initialize the Stripe payment element and display the form for the user to fill out the credit card information and submit the payment. All are secure for the transactions because this directly follows the Stripe security requirement. Let us click the Run button to run a test. Again, let us click the button to test the chatbot. After a while, we can see the carousel with the flower products. All looks good. There is no bug so far. Let us click the Buy Product button to see what will happen. The chatbot says, "Are you ready to pay $9.99? This is the price of the product we have selected." We click the Yes button. Because I have turned on the debug mode, we can see it says Custom Actions extension triggered. It does not have bugs. This is good. We see the complete path at the end because Voiceflow Canvas does not run extensions. We will have to integrate the chatbot to a website to implement the extension. Before that, let us publish the chatbot. When it finishes, you can copy the embed code and paste the snippet on your website. As I have already done so, let us directly go to the website. Here is the website with the embedded Voiceflow chatbot. Let us click the chat bubble to open the chat window. We click the button to start a new chat. We can see the carousel has been loaded onto the chat window. All looks perfect. Let us click the Buy Product button. The chatbot knows we have selected the product and says, "Are you ready to pay $6.59? This is the price of the flower we have selected." We click the Yes button to pay the price. We see the Stripe element is loading. After it finishes loading, we can see the beautiful complete payment form. Let us fill out the form with the credit card information. We enter the digits of the credit card number. We also enter the expiration date and the security code. We enter the zip code. We skip the email address. We click the Pay $6.59 button to submit the payment. We see the message "Payment successful." This is great. We automatically go back to the chat window, and we see the chatbot says your payment has been succeeded. This is very good. No redirected web page opens in another window. Finally, let us go to the Stripe account to see the transactions. On the top of the list, we do see the transaction shown with the price $6.59. This is a succeeded transaction we just made a moment ago. All works perfectly. If you want to implement the Stripe payment element on your Voiceflow chatbot, please send an email to us. The email address is shown on the screen. We are happy to help. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. If you have any comments and suggestions, please let us know. Thank you for your support.